What's going on YouTube? I am back with another video. We lit all 2021. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I just made it to Lincoln, Nebraska. I'm about to deliver this load. It's cold out here, very cold out here. Ooh, almost slipped. But a lot of snow. My truck. Oh, look, hey Alexis. But let's get this load. Okay, let me take the back.
These?
Sir? Yes, sir. These, sir. Like, this in here. My hand froze. Oh, yes, sir.
We got two, Bob. Go in here and take care of this part.
Yes, sir. Life. Yes, sir. That's everything.
That's it?
Yes, sir. Sorry about that, boss.
I think we're going to move this way and then you
Okay, and I can just back up. Okay. So we just delivered that load. Now I am on my way to Colorado. Man, I'm tired. But let's hit the roll up. Yes, sir.